Morning, sweetheart. You having healthy?
Good morning. Yep, I'm just pouring it. How are you this morning?
I'm doing good.
Good morning. Welcome to Full Circle Ozarks. We are getting ready to have our morning devotions and our coffee, which is very important to us.
Very much so.
Yes. But we want to welcome you and let you know that we also pray for everyone that's watching the videos. And if you have anything that you need prayer for, you can email us. There's an email address on our site.
The email address is fullcircleozarks@gmail.com.
Okay, that's simple enough to remember. You guys have a great day, and thank you for watching our videos.
God bless you.
Hello friends, welcome to Full Circle Ozarks. I'd mentioned in one of my previous videos that while we were on vacation, we made it to Ontario, Canada, at Port Prince. This is the company that made the woolen mills, sawmills. I have the HM126, and they make some bunk caps to cover these bunks here. These are painted, but they make stainless steel bunk caps to go on these. It makes the logs a little bit easier to turn. So I was able to pick those up while I was out there. So we're gonna do that, a little bit of maintenance to get those installed, and then if time allows, I'm going to show you a couple other modifications that I'm going to do to the mill. So let's get started on the bunk caps. I have one extension on my HM126, so I can saw logs up to about 16.5 feet. So they came in two different packages, the bunk caps did. So we're going to look at these three here. So this one basically is going to go right here, and then there's bolts to go in these four locations. And let's see, this one will go about right there. And the next one's going to go up a little bit further. I'll get to that in just a moment. So, I won't bore you with all the details to get these installed. They're actually quite simple. They come with a package of nuts and screws here. So we'll get a few of these out. And I just noticed I started those incorrectly, so I will fix that. The bolt goes in first. Turn these around, put the bolts in the correct direction there. Okay. Move the sawmill head down this way, out of the way. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5. We have 5 of them up there. Already got the bolt started in these. Bolt simply goes in that way. Then we have these little nuts here that we just put in the back here. Get it started. You probably saw where I just dropped one. We'll get it picked up before I lose it. Slide the back one in. The two very end bunks don't get these. These is for the, again, where the logs rest. And the whole purpose of these is just to make it a little bit easier to turn the log. So, slide it in there. I'm sure there's some out there that have already installed these. These are an optional accessory for the HM 126. So, but what it doesn't say for sure, there's no instructions, and it's pretty straightforward. But as you can see, there's a little bit of adjustment here. So I have, rather than assuming each of these holes are 100% accurate in both the stainless steel and the bunks, what I'm going to do is I'll get me a straight line after I get these installed and make sure these stops are right on. Again, this right here, the bunks, the stainless steel bunks has looks like about a 3/8 inch stop. So anyway, that'll make it nice too. So, but I want to make sure that they're aligned all the way down before I tighten them down. And if anybody feels that's necessary, unnecessary, leave me a comment. Okay, it has them all started. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to get me a string and tie from the very end and come down here and go against these stops here to make sure everything is lined up perfectly. So let me go get me some string and I'll be right back. Okay, I went and got my string here. So we're going to just anchor it to that bolt there. As you can see, there's the stop there. We're just going to run it down through here to that stop, to that stop, to that stop. Okay, the best I can tell, that's straight. They all line up anyway. I think I'm going to go get me a clamp, just to clamp that down while I'm tightening it up. There's just enough play in it, makes it kind of awkward to hold. So let me go get me a clamp on that. Okay, we're going to try it again. We don't need much tension at all on this, but I'd rather have just a little bit. And that, my friend, has the bunk caps installed. So hopefully that will make the logs easier to turn. The stainless steel is not going to rust. The paint has held up very good on all of these bunks here. The paint has not came off at all. So it's holding up very well. So pleased with the paint job, but again, just for longer term use. While I was at Fort Perry at Woodland Mills, I thought, let me go ahead and invest in the stainless steel bunk covers. So I did, and here we are. So let me get this string off.